This is a demo of the Jupyter WordPress theme and how it could apply to your site. This page, just use this to start off, as a fairly standard web page, and I'm just going to begin showing you some of the features. Now, picture your logo up here. One of the first things you notice is as you go down the page, the nav is sticky. It stays in place. We've got the ability to put in what they call mega menus or regular drop-down menus. As you work down the page, there's a contact form at the bottom. And as you work further down, a up arrow clicks up so that you can get back up to the top of the page. If we squeeze this in as if it was a smaller phone, you can see it holds together, now goes to a single column. And again, the up arrow appears. It's very readable, nice big fonts. And you now get a drop-down navigation. And as you can tell from this demo, this site could get very, very big within this navigation structure and be fine. So we'll go back up to full size. I'm just going to show you some of the features that we can employ in this. One of them is the slider, and a lot of the modern sites now are bringing in full page slideshows, or they don't have to be as big as this, but you can see some of the features that are built into this. It's got a very, very powerful slideshow, and you basically upload your slides, and then you by changing settings, you could make all different types of slideshows. Other features I could see using would be the we'll look at the personnel formatting options. I think that's over about team. There's lots of nice little features the way things fade out and fade in. An example here, when you put everybody's profile in, they don't just give you one way to present it. You have an option of many ways. Oh, I'm still in the wrong place. Let me get the people employee. Yeah, there's the classic style, simple style, circular, box. The nice thing is you input it once and then you play around with to get pick the format you prefer. And the same applies to the blog. You can have a classic style blog where you've got your recent posts on the side, your categories, and each article running down the left. If you don't like that, there's more modern grid style blog formats where actually they're basically, I think it's called card navigation. Each blog article is a card, and when you click in, you open the article, and you can go back and forth. The blog, of course, being WordPress, is very sophisticated. In blogging, it's got the author, recommended posts. Of course, you can categorize everything. Very nice looking blog. Another element we'll take a peek at is the testimonials. You've got a nice set of video testimonials, but we could take some pictures from them and then present them around the site in different ways. There's slideshows, and these could link into the videos. And again, once you input it once, and then you have a choice of many different ways to do it, to present it. And you can present it in different places in the site in different formats. You may want to put a slideshow like this on the home page. Another element we'll look at is the things like the page headers. I think we see that over here. You just have a lot of ways of having how your headers work to make it interesting. That one sort of fades in. Give a parallax header. fade down, gradient fading. So again, the same page, same title, but just lots of different ways we could do it. So it's sort of a process you work back and forth on, and we input into the database all the pictures and the data, and then you play with the settings to get it to look the way you like. And on top of that, of course, we format and get the color scheme and the fonts the way you like it. But what's beautiful about these new themes is the ability to once you get your data in, to play with it to get it the way you like. It's not just locked into place. Okay, so we've done the testimonials. It has built-in frequently asked questions. And again, it is a database for this, and you can just call it in on any page you like. Another one we'll look at is the way it does the Google Maps. And maybe on the home page, at the bottom of the home page, you could have a full width map. And they allow you the ability to customize maps. So that's a feature we'd probably use. Search is a full site search. And I'll take a look at video. I'm just sort of going all over the place here, but to give you an idea of all the different kinds of options you've got. Actually, I'll show you the content box. I mean, just nice ways to format your data. And carousel sliders. Contact form has the built-in CAPTCHA to avoid the spam. Many different ways to present it. And processes, we might use this for the 5-step process on the adult program. And in the future, you've got access to to integrate WooCommerce shop-in if you have the need to sell things. And it's a very sophisticated shopping cart. With the cart linked up the top. So that's just a quick run through of the design elements that we can play with, and it's basically just working with working as a team to take this template and make it into a really nice looking site.